What's up everyone, Orgin here, and today we're diving into the ultimate guide on how to build wealth. But first, let's address fear many of us have, feeling scared shitless about our financial future. In this video, we'll help you conquer that fear and pave the way to financial freedom. And to kick things off, here's a riddle. I have keys but no open locks. I have space but no room. You can enter but not go outside. What am I? Well, stay tuned for the answer at the end of this video. Now let's get started. Building wealth from scratch can seem daunting, but it's absolutely possible. Let's start by understanding the basics. Did you know that actor Nicolas Cage, who earned millions from his blockbuster movies, ended up in financial trouble due to poor money management and extravagant spending? This highlights a crucial point. Earning money is one thing, but managing it is another. Today we're going beyond the usual save 15% advice and diving into strategies you can truly change your future. First, let's get real. If you want to build wealth, you need to make money. It sounds simple, but many people overlook this basic step. Whether it's through a job, a side hustle, or starting a business, the goal is to increase your income. Focusing on high income skills and leveraging your time effectively is key. For instance, sales and entrepreneurship are excellent paths because they reward results, not hours worked. Let's take Nicolas Cage again as an example. Despite earning millions, he ended up in significant debt due to poor financial decisions, like buying extravagant homes, a dinosaur skull, and even some islands. The lesson here is clear. It's not just about how much you make, but how well you manage it. Even if you're earning a lot, without proper management and investment, it's easy to lose it all. Here are some practical steps you can start with. Use apps like YNAB, You Need a Budget, or Pocket Guard to track every dollar you spend. Create a budget, live below your means, and allocate money for savings and investments. Good budget is a great alternative to Mint for envelope budgeting. Build emergency fund. Save 3 to 6 months of living expenses to protect you against unexpected financial hits. Use Chime for high yield savings accounts and any other type of high yield savings account companies. Invest early. Start investing as soon as possible to take advantage of compound interest. Tools like Robinhood and Webull are excellent for beginners. Now let's go beyond the traditional advice. Here are some advantages and strategies to build wealth. Leverage debt wisely. Use debt to invest in assets that appreciate over time, like real estate or a business. Fundrise for real estate. Crowdfunding can be a good start. Diversify your income streams. Don't just rely on a single source of income, but consider investing in stocks, real estate, and even starting a side business. M1 Finance is great for building a diversified portfolio. Invest in yourself. Continuously learning and skills can develop and open doors to higher income opportunities for you. Platforms like Coursera and Udemy offer affordable courses on a variety of subjects. Stay ahead of trends. So invest in emerging technologies and industries like AI, renewable energy, and biotechnology, which can yield high returns. ARK Invest funds focus on these innovative sectors. So here are some unique strategies to build wealth that you might not have considered. So real estate crowdfunding in general is a good start. Platforms like Fundrise allow you to invest in real estate projects with relatively small amounts of money and no personal upkeep in those projects. Peer-to-peer lending, where you can lend money to individuals or small businesses through platforms like Lending Club and earn interest. Invest in farmland. Farmland has shown to be a stable and appreciating assets. Platforms like Acre Trader make it accessible for individual investors. So you may not know this, but Shaquille O'Neal, the former NBA star, turned his wealth into an impressive investment portfolio. He invested in tech companies, fast food franchises, and even became an early investor in Google. His strategy was simple: invest in what you understand and believe in. Shaq's story is a great example of how strategic investing can amplify wealth, and you can do the same. Ultimately, building wealth isn't just about money, it's about mindset. Reflect on your relationship with money and consider how you can balance production and consumption. By understanding and managing your finances effectively, you can achieve lasting wealth. Thank you for watching. If you found this video valuable, please like, comment, and subscribe for more content on wealth and finance and personal growth. And if I've left anything out, please mention it in the comments. Remember, wealth isn't just about money, it's about the freedom to live life on your terms. And now, the answer to the riddle: a keyboard. Until next time, keep striving for financial freedom, and see you in the next one.